The next one is judicial power. He appoints the Attorney General of the state. He only appoints the Attorney General in the judicial side. Then he makes posting and promotion of district judges in the consultation with state high court. Okay. Then the Chief Justice of High Court in the state appointed by the President in consultation with him. The Chief Justice of High Court, he appointed by the President, but with consultation with the Governor. Okay. Then he sometimes some person get the punishment, so he has the power that punishment also cancel some situation. Okay, this is the judicial power of the governor. Then there's next discretionary powers, means it's his wish only, voluntary powers. Okay, the governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. Some bills are bending, that sometimes he cancel, then that bills he only reserve the some bills. Okay, so wait for the permission from the president, that only he has not that power. Then he can the leader of any party to form ministry in the state when there is no clear-cut majority to any party in the legislative assembly after the general elections. Sometimes two party also they cannot prove the majority. That time he only call any one leader. He appoint the chief minister. Okay, that party leader appointed by the governor. Okay, as a chief minister. Then he can dismiss the council of ministers when he is unable to prove the confidence of the legislative assembly. Then in the legislative assembly also some party cannot prove, that time he can dismiss the council of ministers. This is the discretionary powers of the governor. Then emergency powers. Sometimes governor is satisfied that government of the state is not carried under accordance with the provisions of the constitution. He may under article 356 recommend to the president. Sometimes that party ruling party is not good, it's against our constitution's rule in the that time he recommended to the president that party is not good, like that saying. Then that time the president rule the particular state. Okay, then as soon as the president rule is imposed, the administration of the state is carried on by the governor as the representative of the president குடியரசாட்சி நடக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற சமயத்தில் அவரோட இதில் அந்த கவர்னர் தான் அந்த ஆட்சி வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஆட்சி செய்வாங்க. அந்த பர்டிகுலர் ரூலிங் பார்ட்டி வந்து நம்மளோட சட்டத்துக்கு விரோதமான செயல்கள் செஞ்சாங்கன்னா அந்த ஆட்சியை கலைக்கிறதுக்கு இவரோட உரிமை. திஸ் இஸ் த எமர்ஜென்சி பவர் ஆஃப் த president. Then next, privileges of the governor. The governor has the special powers. In article 361(1) provides for the following privileges of the governor. The governor of the state, the state governor having, he is not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office. Sometimes he cancel some particular person's punishment, then nobody asks to him why this do like this. Nobody asks to him. Then no process for the arrest and imprisonment the government of states shall issue from the any court during his term of his office. In ruling time, his term period, governor term period, nobody arrest to him. Okay, this is the privileges of the government. Okay, ma.